Welcome back, cryptocurrency investors. My name's Landon and you're watching World Crypto. Today is a great day in the cryptocurrency space. And if you like to follow coins that are important to you, let us know in the comments what matters most and we'll be sure to get that content out. Subscribe because we do 2 cryptocurrency news videos each and every day, as well as viewer requests every other day. I say today is a great day in the crypto markets because markets have, for all intensive purposes, rebounded. Albeit it hasn't been long enough to fully declare the bearish trend over, we are well on our way to putting the first few weeks of January, however depressing they were, behind us. Our top story so far: Bitcoin to the moon, quite literally. NASA is exploring blockchain as a way to add intelligence to spacecraft decision making. Agility teams up with Maersk and IBM as logistics investigates blockchain. Forbes publishes first ever richest people in cryptocurrency. GreyScale launches fund for top crypto assets and Ethereum is included. A wonderful article on BTC Manager that discusses how you personally can maximize your investment and diversify your portfolio from a position of confidence. The first step is to remove your own cognitive bias and be consciously aware of your personal biases and decision making. T-Mobile dragged to court by a Washington man after hackers stole his cryptocurrencies. Another positive news article about the rebound. Bitcoin is back over $8,000 and all the top 100 coins are in the green. And our last story is more of the same regarding the overall market recovery that's happening right now. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ripple, the top 3 coins, were up over 20% as the recovery continued, but since then have dropped a little bit, as you can see. Our top story: Bitcoin to the moon. Well, maybe not Bitcoin, but the technology it's built on could well have a life between the stars. Elon Musk has been busy with his current SpaceX program and doing quite a lot of launches himself. But down on Earth, there's been serious efforts to rekindle the exploration of space. NASA has recently awarded $330,000 in a grant to the University of Akron to look into using Ethereum and artificial intelligence to help with controlling spacecraft in the dynamic environment of space, otherwise known as blockchain, that is capable of using fuzzy logic and deep learning techniques to cope with the unforeseen hazards that occur in space. With driverless cars coming in the very near future being realized through the use of IOTA blockchain and the reps at Volkswagen, Bitcoin could very well land on the moon this year and then set its sights further on Mars. If a project like this succeeds, then blockchain and cryptocurrencies could be taken to the moon. We could literally see a resurgence in all of these coins to new highs, as well as really see what this technology is capable of outside of the Earth's atmosphere. The technological infrastructure that is needed will be vital going forward to sustain growth and expansion to other planets and star systems, as our modern day thinkers are really trying to solve some of the problems posed by our environmental and natural resource crisis here on Earth. It will take centuries to see the full potential of blockchain technology utilized in space. However, not only NASA is starting to get the ball rolling with projects like this, but projects like Space Chain, which recently launched a Qtum node into low Earth orbit, are also recognizing the ways that cryptocurrencies can benefit from space-related efforts. It indeed is a brave new world. Blockchain is going to make it to the moon eventually, both figuratively and literally, with some of these space programs. It may not happen overnight, but just the interest and being consciously aware of what blockchain can do will do wonders for this industry moving forward. We're super excited to see all this get incorporated, so stay tuned because we will be reporting back as this story develops. Agility has become the first freight forwarder to be part of the IBM Maersk joint venture that was launched last month and we reported on. It aims to apply blockchain technology in digitizing the supply chain process in order to ensure transparency. These are multi-million-dollar, if not billion-dollar transportation industries. Our goods and services every single day. People don't realize how much we rely on trucks and boats and planes to transport our goods and services to remote areas or otherwise. So Maersk using blockchain tech to really make their current systems more efficient is again going to do wonders for their systems, and blockchain tech getting legitimized. Blockchain technology is going to make shipping cheaper, safer, and reliable. As early adopters, companies like Agility can help Maersk and IBM understand the needs of shippers and develop standards that will make trade more efficient. They can help customers understand how to use blockchain to improve shipment visibility, eliminate the paperwork, reduce errors, and shorten transit and clearance times. He later adds, for Agility, it's important to be involved early in blockchain and to work with forward-thinking companies like Maersk and IBM. Together, we have a lot to learn and share in order to bring the benefits of this technology to shippers and consumers as quickly as possible. The ever-growing presence of blockchain in the mainstream industries is a sign for the technology to evolve further and develop more. Many countries, including third world countries like India and Sri Lanka, have universities which have started to offer blockchain-related curriculum to their students. A university professor has spoken to the AMB crypto team earlier this week and stressed the importance of blockchain in a truly democratic society and the need for it to penetrate industry in this world. We couldn't agree anymore, and that's why we have started this platform and are sharing with you the ongoing developments twice a day regarding blockchain news around the world. Forbes, known for its World Billionaires Lists, published a list of the richest people in crypto for the first time on Tuesday, February 6th. The goal of publishing such list, according to Forbes editor Randall Lane, is to provide a snapshot of a pivotal movement, part of the transparency needed to pull crypto away from its provenance as the favorite currency of drug dealers into the adolescence of a legitimate asset class. It's nice to not always see new FUD being reported and to report positive news once in a while and positive outlooks regarding crypto. GreyScale launched a fund for top crypto assets, and Ethereum is included. The creator of the Bitcoin Investment Trust is today launching its fourth fund aimed at giving accredited investors a way to explore crypto. Unlike GreyScale's previous funds, which focus entirely on Bitcoin, Ethereum Classic, and Zcash, this new offering, formerly called the Digital Large Cap Fund, is designed to give investors exposure to the 5 largest cryptocurrencies based on market cap. Those 5 in order: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Bitcoin Cash, and Cardano. As it stands now, and that's what it's been for quite a while now, and that's the way it's likely to stay. At launch, the fund's shares will be solely invested in a basket of crypto assets that will initially include Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin. The design to include new currencies and to sidestep other cryptocurrencies that are already offered by GreyScale was based on the total value of assets, according to GreyScale Managing Director Michael Sonnenschein. Investors are looking for broad market exposure to the digital currency asset class. This gives them the ability to make a singular investment that's going to give them exposure to approximately 70% of the market via this one vehicle. He also said that the firm intends to follow the path set forth by their first investment vehicle, the Bitcoin Investment Trust, which trades over the counter with the ticker symbol GBTC. They plan on creating a public quotation about this in a year's time. And we at World Crypto will be reporting back regularly as GreyScale develops this story. On to a great news article on btcmanager.com. Want to maximize your investments? The first step is to remove cognitive bias. 2017 was the year that crypto trading truly exploded. Trading volumes exceeded billions of dollars and everyone's rationality seemed to disappear. With more and more people jumping on the crypto bandwagon, there will only continue to be more people losing money as a result of carelessness and naivety. If done right, crypto trading can be extremely lucrative. However, relying on your gut is often nothing more than gambling. As time progresses, the crypto market will only continue to become increasingly more complex. In the future, removing emotional bias in favor of more reliable trading algorithms could be the only way to succeed in such an undeniably volatile industry. This article really illustrates and puts into perspective the emotional and psychological side of these cryptocurrency or any market in general. It's an emotional thing, and it's based on old Chinese trading philosophy. According to The Verge, a man accused T-Mobile of having improperly allowed wrongdoers to access his wireless account, effectively stealing his cryptocurrency. T-Mobile was unable to contain the security breach until the next day. The criminals succeeded in changing the password and stole 1,000 Omize Go tokens and 19.6 BitConnect coins. The hackers now exchanged the coins for 2.875 Bitcoin and transferred it to another wallet, the suit states. With the continuous surge in the value of cryptocurrencies, there's always going to be cases of theft and hacks. And crypto investors need to be extra cautious and ensure their own security. Do your own research. Following this channel alone will give you plenty of information regarding how to safeguard your assets, and we do bulletin stories and breaking news stories if a hack is released or if anybody needs to be aware of something. Recently there was something on the YouTube platform where they were unsuspectingly using viewers' computers to mine Monero. We let our viewers know about that. It was only affected certain countries, but nevertheless, check back for regular updates on that and keep involved in the cryptocurrency space because it changes so fast. Even cryptocurrency exchanges are going to continue to fall prey to these attacks. In January, one of the biggest exchanges, Coincheck, was hacked and the cybercriminals stole over $500 million worth of XEM coins. So be vigilant. The crypto market is rebounding. Bitcoin is back over $8,000 and the top 100 coins are all in the green, or were earlier today, not so much now, but still the rebound is in full effect. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple rose over 20% throughout the day, and the chart shows that each of the top 15 cryptocurrencies by their market cap had reached at one point up 20% in 24 hours. Bitcoin slipped close to the $6,000 level days after China banned local investors to participate in crypto markets, and Bitcoin was trading above $8,000 but has recently dipped down to $7,800, still a far cry from where we were few days ago. The overall cryptocurrency market valuations have surged by $100 billion in just one day's time, as other altcoins are also seeing positive, solid recoveries. Ethereum has added nearly $200 to its value and was up 30% from yesterday's levels. Ethereum started the year of 2018 on a very great note above $1,000 and slipped by more than 50% over the last week. All is said and done, it's good to see the crypto markets back in a positive trajectory after such a long time. So check back for regular news and updates as these markets continue to flip-flop and swing, and as worldwide governments continue to make decisions each and every day that impact the future of crypto. That covers it for your afternoon news. If you found this video informative, please smash that like button and comment your thoughts on any of the topics we've covered today. I love to hear from our viewers, and the discussions are the direction that I want to see the channel head into. Stay tuned this evening for more updates on what's going on in the cryptocurrency space. And until tonight, enjoy the rebound in the markets and rest easy, having faith in the overall technology that you support. Happy investing, and try not to buy into too much FUD. You have to look at the positive outlook for the future. I'm going to express this sentiment every single time. So at the very least, hopefully our viewers will leave feeling motivated and hopeful for the future, because I'd like to talk about real issues that are affecting mankind currently in our modern world and how blockchain can fix those problems. Help us grow by liking and commenting, sharing your thoughts, and check back regularly to see our progress and keep yourself updated. Until tonight, everyone.